Juice. I am Pankaj Kushwaha and this is the demo video lecture in the topic blood circulatory system. So basically blood circulatory system is the topic in the broad chapter called blood. In this topic we are going to discuss how blood plays important role in our body and which organ help to circulate the blood. So basically there are two types of blood in our body. First one is pure blood and the second one is impure blood. Pure blood is the blood which have rich amount of oxygen and less amount of carbon dioxide in it, and this blood is also called oxygenated blood, and the color of this blood is like a bright red color. And talking about impure blood is the blood which have rich amount of carbon dioxide and less amount of oxygen in it, and this impure blood is also called deoxygenated blood, and the color of this blood is deep red purple color. And now talking about how blood flows in our body. So blood flows in our body with the help of some tubes and pipes, and these tubes and pipes are called arteries and veins. So arteries are the tubes where pure blood flows and the veins are the tubes where impure blood flows. Now talking about the heart. Heart is most important organ for the circulatory system because all circulation of the heart takes place with the help of heart. So now talking about heart. The weight of the heart is 280 gram to 30 gram, and what is the working of the heart is to pump the blood throughout the body, to the different body organs, and the location of the heart is behind the sternum and between the second and sixth rib, and simply we can say the chest cavity. And what is the sternum? The sternum is the bone of our chest. So and the shape of the heart is like a closed fist, and talking about working of the heart. So working of the heart is contraction and relaxation. So this takes place with the help of pressure variation, and when contraction takes place, our blood pumps the blood in the the blood coming out from the heart and goes to the different body organ, and when heart takes relaxation, the impure blood coming into the heart and goes to the lungs for purification and come back from the lung to the heart after purification. And when blood goes to the purification from heart to the lung, goes with the help of pulmonary artery, and when the blood comes after purification from lungs to the heart is with the help of pulmonary vein. So when blood circulate to the different organ and reaches to the different organ, there is a chemical reaction takes place called oxidation. In the oxidation, consumption of the oxygen and production of the carbon dioxide takes place. So when pure blood reaches to the organ, here oxidation takes place and this pure blood converted into impure blood. So basically the tube called aorta, with the help of which pure blood reaches to the different body organ, and the tube called inferior vena cava, with the help of inferior vena cava, impure blood reaches to the heart, and then impure blood goes to the lungs for purification. And talking about heart, so for our simplicity of learning, we are considering heart like a circle and divide it into 4 equal parts. So there are basically 4 chambers in our heart, and upper 2 chambers and lower 2 chambers. So upper chambers, or we can say upper 2 quadrants, are called auricle and the lower 2 quadrants are called ventricle. And there are 2 auricles and 2 ventricles, and the auricle in the left is called left auricle, and in the auricle in the right called right auricle, and similarly the ventricle in the left called left ventricle, and the ventricle in the right called right ventricle, and the left ventricle and left auricle, these both chambers are connected by the wall called mitral valve, and similarly left auricle and right ventricle, there is also a valve between them, is called tricuspidum valve. And so basically the impure blood coming into the left auricle and goes to the left ventricle with the help of tricuspidum valve. And when this valve get opened, there is also a valve called pulmonary valve. From pulmonary valve, this impure blood goes to the lungs, and when goes to the lungs, this blood purified and coming back to the heart in the left auricle, and the left auricle connected with the valve called mitral valve with the left ventricle, and this left ventricle having a tube called aorta. This aorta supplies the pure blood throughout the body, and their oxidation takes place, and similar this process continues and blood circulation takes place. Thank you. This is all about the blood circulation system from my side. Thank you.